Looking to sneak away for a few hours? Then why not try some of the best golf in the Caribbean? The North Sound Golf Club is Cayman's only 18-hole championship golf course with spectacular views and one of the friendliest bars on island. This beautifully landscaped course offers a challenge and an unforgettable golfing experience.
Fantastic. With the sunshine in the summertime, you can't get any better for a game of golf on a Saturday afternoon.
I love the golf course. It's beautiful. It's very challenging.
The family-friendly course caters to everyone, including juniors and beginners.
We did a bit of drivers and lots of putting and chipping. I think it's a lot of fun.
Offering all-exclusive memberships, packages and golf instruction, the North Sound Golf Club, it's a hole-in-one.